Let's friggin' roll. Why the fuck am I? Actually, it doesn't matter. I'd be captain.
Yeah. Yeah. So Hayden, how'd you celebrate International Women's Day yesterday?
Wait, was it International Women's Day?
Yeah, how'd you celebrate?
Friggin' drugs.
Nice.
Dude, I fucking had a fat joint with blood chungus, dude.
Oh my god, dude, I still have the fucking shitty Rex Eclipse 8 build.
Dude, let's hope I don't get Rex. Shredded about.
Put your pussy lips on live, I'll give you $1,000.
Mega what? Dude, I got a freaking stun grenade.
Let's go.
Yummy.
Soldier syringe is probably better than whatever the fuck I have right now, dude.
You're not rocking with the stun grenade?
Nah, I got the friggin' this thing. The personal shield generator. Things kinda.
What's the... They also got a teddy bear printer.
What the blood doing? Dude, I just got another stun grenade.
Mate, try your best to keep it, man.
Dude, I gotta do a stun grenade build. Plasma shrimp! Plasma shrimp! Dude, you got the chrono bobble?
You know I got the chrono bob.
That's freaking awesome, dude. You're chrono bobbling crazy. Oh, let's hit up TP.
Huh?
Let's hit up TP.
Okay.
Alright. Dude, thank God. Dude, we're not doing friggin' Psalm rank, so this is gonna be way easier.
Holy shit.
I just friggin' Zuckerberged all over that guy.
Did you? Dude, you Zuckerberg all over him.
Friggin' Zuckerberg and I came a little.
Oh no.
Yo! Rose buckler, dude! She buckled on my nuts till I rose buckler.
Nice. Yeah. Was a barrel hole.
Do you want to look
shit.
around or anything? I think there's. Is that
Oh
a
yeah,
chest
oh
right
yeah.
there? There you go. Oh, equipment barrel, even better. If you want that. Crack her open. Maybe we get something good.
I will
This
do
way,
that.
splash shower.
I also got to print a few syringes.
Alright. I'll have to wait until we get a stun grenade printer.
Yeah. It's untapped potential.
Was that the syringe printer right there? Fungus, Pranner.
Oh,
Ooh, eccentric face, dude. We won.
we did.
Dude, I hope I don't fucking get Rex, man. I hate playing Rex. Darn it, power elixir, power elixir. Alright, let me know when you're good to go.
I'm good to go.
Alright. Let's rip it. Fuck. Dude, I almost had the thing. Friggin' blood shrine, but I missed by like a little second. Oh, huge.
I got Acrid.
Dude, I got friggin' railgunner. I got the railer, dude. Would you rail me if I was the railgunner in real life?
Holy shit!
Ty, would you rail me if I was the railgunner in real life, dude?
Alright,
Fucking awesome.
nice.
Oh, actually, I don't know if I have the like the friggin' corrupt one. I have the plasma shrimp. Do I get another ATG, dude?
That was sick.
I don't know. I kind of want it.
All right, all yours then.
Holy fuck, we have emotes, dude.
I forgot we had emotes, dude.
I was like, what's missing?
Oh shit, oops. Oh, that's close.
Grrr. This game's making me angry.
Whoa, hit.
Dude, bands would be friggin' gas, dude. I got the blast thing.
Yeah, void bands.
Yeah, if I get bans, that'd be awesome. Because I have the blast shower.
You want to hit TP?
Give me a second. I see a
Alright.
multi-shop I want to hit up. Once I buy something, you just hit it up and I'll be on my way. What's this? Rolling. What do we have? Is that... Oh, shoot. Oh, it is. Alright, start it up.
Alright.
Come on
What's
my way.
that?
Dude, roll of pennies? Huge. Dude, I wonder if I could do the freaking jump over here. Oh, let's go. I'm the best Risk of Rain player ever.
Uh-oh.
Yikes! Got him! What the flip? Shurikens! Did you get the friggin' weenie?
Oh, you know it.
This is why you're the best survivor in the game.
Aiden, 2 foot jobs or a Wii U?
Fuck, dude, I think I might take 2 foot jobs over a Wii U. Are they themed foot jobs or like normal ones?
Find the themed one.
I don't know, maybe
Like
it could be like a
Christmas themed?
Bowsette themed foot job, and it's like Bowsette giving you a foot job. You know what I
No,
mean,
these
right?
are like no. These are just like you walk outside, you see a woman on the streets, and that's who's giving you the foot job. It's just like a
I'd still take 2 foot jobs over Wii U, dude.
yeah.
I don't know, but how about 5 foot jobs or a 3DS with Super Mario Bros. 3D Land?
I'd probably pick the 3DS, dude. That game's awesome.
I think I would too. That game is fucking fire. I wish I still had mine though. I don't know what
What
happened
happened
to
to
it.
your 3DS?
No, like the game. I don't know what happened to it, but the game was so fire though.
Oh, I think I might have took it from you. I have 2 copies.
Can I have it?
Sure, dude.
Dude, you're fucking awesome.
Hey, you should hack your 3DS.
Dude, I did, but then like it was unhacked when I hacked it.
Dude, I hacked my 3DS
You
recently.
can't hack it anymore. Can't hack it anymore, dude. They sued him.
Oh shit. Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You should
Yeah.
probably get it before it closes.
When does it close?
I don't know.
Hold on, dude. I'm gonna start TP. Ready?
Okay.
Let's roll. Freaking Super Mario 3D Land.
Dude, 3D Land's so fucking
That game was okay.
That is honestly
Hey,
one
you
of the
beat
best
that
games.
game. You beat that game. The game's 8 worlds. You get another 8, dude. How cool is that?
Oh yeah, dude, I forgot. You get the freaking fire
Yeah.
shit, dude.
And you can play as Luigi.
Dude, that's sick.
Oh, I forgot you could do that. That guy Acrid. For my freaking Risk of Rain hero, dude. He's my freaking hero.
Oh, I got fucked. Damn it.
That's a freaking
Nice.
Risk of rollout, dude. Ah! What's that equipment multi-shop? Is there anything over
I
here?
don't know.
Bruh. Oh, I'm getting the freaking missile launcher. That's badass.
What's in this one over here? Ooh, pretty shit offerings.
Oh, you bitch! Damn. Oh, I fucked up bad.
Why are you calling me a bitch,
shit.
dude?
Not you.
Yeah, dude. What the hell?
You're not a bitch, Hayden.
But I'm a female dog.
I'm a female dog.
Dude, where the frick's the money? Oh, I spoke too soon. I need my disposable missile launcher. What? Oh, I didn't even realize the enemies had freaking Chrono Bobble.
Holy shit, they do, dude. I forgot about this artifact.
Dude, I forgot, dude. I thought it was just kind of normal gaming.
Yeah. I feel like it'll get rough once they give Mithrix a band.
Dude, don't say that.
Dude, it's gonna happen. It's gonna be... Think about it. It's good content. It's good content.
What's this thing? Oh, that's a freaking health chest. I didn't even realize what it was.
Where are these void critters at?
Maybe they're inside the thing. Let's go check it out.
Oh. Hold up.
I'm going in. Do not fear. The dog is here. Is
Alright.
that it? Let's roll.
That's all of them. there an actual fucking void item in here? I don't think there is.
I don't even think so.
Dang, dude, we could have left that shit.
This is rough. But do you want to hit TP?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, I might have to scrap items. I don't have much. Oh, we got the blue portal too. So oh yeah, there's. I think is that a scrapper? I remember I saw one on this stage though. I'm gonna scrap though. I got a bunch of kind of crappy items. Dude, the Chrono Bobble is friggin' kind of awesome in this game mode.
For the enemies, yeah.
Oh shit, I'm stuck. Okay, I got one Beetle Queen. Fuck. These enemies are blocked. We got. I'm gonna take the Beetle Guard. Fuck, I'm easy dog. It's all yours.
And has anyone ever told you look kind of cute if you had the Tanuki Mario suit on?
I think I would, honestly. I think I would look a little cute if I had
Yeah,
that.
I think you would.
Oh, here's the scrapper. I'm gonna scrap.
Alright.
Tell me friggin' scrap Chungus the way I'd be scrapping. Else goes. That goes. I'm keeping the stun grenades, dude. Those things stay. I guess I could just kind of keep what I have. I don't know what else there is on the stage.
I'm scrapping too.
Alright. I'm gonna see if I can find an item or two real quick. I never checked the cave, so there could be something in
What
here.
the fuck is the scrapper? Oh, here it is.
Oh shit.
Was that my... Oh. Oh, there's another scrapper over here. Oh, here's a chest. Let's friggin' crack them open. Alright, let me know when you're good to go, dude.
I am good to go.
Okay. I'm getting blocked. I'm gonna see if I can get to the blood shrine in time. I got it.
Nice.
Fuck you and your Hopu feather! Dude, I could use a Hopu feather. What do we got for it? Oh my god.
Fuck you and your eyebrows. Watch this.
Alright, dude. Do you think I get the frost relic?
I'll go. You know, I'm getting the frost relic.
Alright, dude. I'll get it then if you got it, dude. Let's fucking go! Dude, this item sucks.
No, dude, you don't see it. You don't see it.
Now about a Mithrix though? Actually, if we could go about Man, Gobo Jr., dude. If you get Gobo Jr., easy win, dude, with the Frost
True,
Relic.
true. But, Kubo does not take your items.
Or does it not work with it then?
Huh? No,
Oh, dude,
don't
I
think
got fucking wrecks, dude. I lost.
There's a wiener printer.
Dude, I don't have freaking Genesis loop. Shrine of the Mountain, anyone?
Okay.
Or do they get the friggin' Predator instance? Friggin' EDP 445 on this game. Dude, my guy got friggin' gooned on, dude. Dude, what the hell, dude? Dude, my friggin' ally's getting gooned on by the Void guy. Void Chungus, dude. He's getting friggin' Void Chunked on. Okay, maybe I can get this item. Harvester Scythe. Huge! Would you harvest my nuts, dude?
No, Hayden. No.
Like, not even if they were, like,
Uh-oh.
right?
Uh-oh. Alright, never mind, we're good.
Like, not even if they were, like, ready, like, and fully grown, and, like, you could just get, like, some free weed or some shit from them, dude? Like in Minecraft, when you harvest your crops.
Depends, are you gooning recently?
No, like, not that kind of, like, harvest. I'm just thinking, like they're freshly sown and, like, ready to, like, to go.
I mean, alright.
But, I mean, I haven't been gooning recently.
That's too bad.
Dude, I fucking hate playing Rax.
Alright, the fucking thing's down.
Call me friggin' Rex Chungus, dog.
Dude, I keep thinking, like, dude, I'm doing so much damage and I forget I took a shaped glass. Oh, I didn't mean to take the death mark.
Dude, you're friggin' dead. A huge multi-shop. Alright. I'm basically ready to whip.
Alright.
I'm on my way right now, so hopefully it won't be long.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, alright, this one's on you.
I don't think this is happening. I freaking got shot already, dude. I'm dead. What the fuck? Oh man. Stroud, I don't think this is the run, dude.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dude, I think I'm getting raped by these friggin' wieners.
Too bad.
Man, dude, the game gave me Rex, that's why we lost.
That's true.